Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I've got a quick Google Chrome and YouTube trick for you. I'm going to be showing you how to search YouTube videos with Google Lens. This will allow you to search images from the video and get web results from it. It's really quite cool. So no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this video. Alright, so I've got my YouTube video playing here in Google Chrome, and in order to use Google Lens to search this video, we need to pause it on whatever we would like to search. So for example, there's some Canons here. I know there's a Canon I would like to search right there, so we're just going to pause it right on that Canon. Now what we want to do is right click on the video twice without moving our mouse. So I'm going to right click on it once, I'm going to right click on it a second time. We're going to get this window that pops up that looks something like this. Now again, this is a feature in Google Chrome. You'll see the option that says search this video with Google Lens. So if we go ahead and select this option, it's going to pop out, and now we can draw an image around that Canon. So I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I can drag it out over that Canon like that, and it's already actually popping up over on the right hand side, but I'm just going to go ahead and drag it out. It's going to see that and start searching, and it's going to give us all sorts of options. So AI mode, all, exact matches, visual matches, etc. But I can see that this is already coming up as a Canon in St. Augustine, which is where I actually filmed this Canon. So I know that that's correct. It's a really cool feature if you want to search anything from a YouTube video with Google Lens. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.